talk about this a lot, but actually one of the reasons kung bakit ako nag-artista was so that I could earn, because my second mom, yung yaya ko since birth, she got cancer when I was in school. And, syempre nakita ko yung hirap ng, bukod sa physical struggles, yung babayaran mo, nakita ko kung paano siya naglakad sa kung anong agencies to ask for financial help and support. And at first when I was younger, ayoko talaga mag-artista kasi nahihiya ako. Malayo talaga siya sa isip ko. Pero when it came to, you know, trying to help my family, yun yung parang nag-push talaga sa akin na I need to earn kasi mahal magkasakit. No matter kung gaano kadaming naipon mo or kung malaki yung pamilya mo, pag nagkasakit ka, everything stops. So, anything with health is very, very important to me. And I really appreciate that how one of the advocacies talaga ng eye care is affordable, reliable healthcare para sa lahat ng Pilipino na talagang napaka-importante. So,